One of Nike basketball's most popular player-exclusive models, the Air Zoom Huarache 2k4 Shoebird PE. Years after its original debut on the feet of a WNBA legend during the Seattle Storm's 2004 championship season, this exclusive model, once worn by one of the WNBA's most popular icons, has returned. Featuring the signature Seattle Storm colorway, the Air Zoom Huarache 2k4 Shoebird is ready for its big comeback to the basketball world. Stay tuned to discover the story behind the shoe and all the details of the upcoming 2026 reissue of the Nike Air Zoom Huarache 2k4 Shoebird. This marks the first retail release of a relatively obscure Nike basketball player-exclusive edition from the mid-2000s. Originally created for WNBA legend Sue Bird during her time with the Seattle Storm, the colorway pays tribute to the franchise she helped transform into one of the league's premier organizations. Initially released in 2004, the Nike Air Zoom Huarache 2k4 was considered one of the best basketball shoes of its era. Thanks to its incredible Zoom Air cushioning, excellent support, and perfect fit, it became a favorite among professional athletes. Now, in 2026, the Zoom Huarache 2k4 Shoebird PE are back. The very shoes Bird wore during her 2004 championship run with the Seattle Storm. Donning white, deep forest, and canyon gold, the colorway expertly embodies the Storm's classic look. That fresh combination of leather, shiny overlays, and metallic trim feels even more special, now knowing it was worn by Bird during her first championship, and will forever grace her bronze statue outside Climate Pledge Arena, which even features the birdie stitched along the ankle strap. Personalized details remain intact as well, including Bird's iconic number 10 stitched onto both heels and birdie embroidered along the collar. Nike has spent much of 2026 celebrating the legacy of the Zoom Huarache 2k4 through a steady stream of releases, beginning with the All-Star Edition earlier this year and the soon-to-release Penny Hardaway PE in Knicks colors. For 2k4 lovers, this Shoebird might be too good to pass up. The Nike Air Zoom Huarache 2k4 Shoebird PE is expected to release July 24, 2026 through Nike.com and select retailers for $200 US. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Footgear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.